Good morning, amazing Infinity family. I am back here again with my second fortnight video. The second fortnight message, second association with the entire organization from top to bottom. Okay. I want to talk something in this video which may help everyone actually. And this is something which I always talk to anybody who's new in the organization and who's like 1 week or 2 week old, and whenever I meet that group actually, right, this is what exactly I talk to them. So I thought of why not sharing it with everyone, who's out there in different countries, right? So, I want to, first of all, I want to give you a good news. The good news is that you started the business in an industry where you have 100% chance to change your life and become financially free. That is the good news. The bad news is that 50% of the people quit this journey in first few months itself. So where you have to first decide which 50% you want to fall in actually, right? You want to fall in those 50% who make it, or those 50% who quit in first few months actually, right? So you want to know the difference about that? I am going to share the difference. What is the difference between those two people, those two groups actually, who quit or who make it actually happen, okay? In first few months itself, right? So if you know about this in the beginning itself, later you will not have chance to say you were not aware about it, right? So what exactly is the difference? The difference is, okay, 50% people, okay, those who start, okay, in fact, all 100% people who start the business, for them, business is same, for them, uplines are same, for them, welcome is same, for them, products are same, for them, company is same, for them, compensation is same. What is the difference? The difference is their attitude actually, right? So what is this attitude difference? The attitude difference is that the first 50% people who made it happen, these people are doers actually. Okay. So how exactly their thought process is different? When they come for welcome, when they attend anything, they take it seriously from day one itself, right? So they empty their cup, they leave all their past experience and accolades, no matter how good they were doing in their previous life, but they accept that to reach where they want to reach, and that profession or that thing is not helping them. That's why they started this journey, right? So there's no point carrying those thoughts and that experience and apply in this journey because it is not applicable here, right? So they empty the cup, they sit in the welcome, and everything which is told in the welcome, every damn thing which is told in the welcome, they go back and like a kid, they implement it. Like for example, when it is told to them that go back and don't do anything without completing your 20 dream list. They go back, buy a nice dream book, start writing it without thinking too much. They just apply that. After that, they finish the name list, and then they sit with upline, and the upline tell them what to do actually, right? Rather, on the other side, other 50% people, they get impressed with the welcome. Okay, they get impressed, they endorse the speaker, which is not required actually, right? They always come back and say it is very good, this, that, but actually when it comes to doing, they do nothing. Okay, it is told to them that don't talk to anybody without doing a dream list. Still they go back and talk. It is told to them that please finish the dream list, but still they don't do that because they take it lightly. Because these things, they feel that this is not going to make a difference in the journey, right? But this is the main difference. For example, they come to welcome also, after that they come to system also, right? So people coming to system, some people just come to show up because there is nothing else to do in life, right? They sit there, after that they share, they do the sharing, but no implementation, right? But on the other side, people who are serious, who are empty cup actually, they talk less, but always they sit in the system or in the welcome or in any training, and they take everything as if it is applicable to them. They pick up small little changes, small little things. Like for example, when I was new, I used to go to the system, okay, and I was not doing everything 100% from day one, right? But every system, I used to decide one thing. Like for example, I was not adding names in my name list. So one system I decided I will add at least 3 names before I take my dinner. And I started following that, right? Without that, I was not taking dinner at all, right? So one little bit of improvement, right? Then next, one fine system I decided I will never miss the system. And then I followed that, right? I stuck to my decision, right? After that, I said, okay, every day I will call 2-3 people to inform, which I was not doing before, right? So one by one, but in 50 weeks time, when I was struggling, one by one I was adding, things which I need to do, and I used to take decisions from system and used to implement that, and that's what exactly made a difference over a period of time. So that is the only difference which many people come to the system, come to the training, they get to know everything, but still when it comes to implementation on themselves, they don't do it 100%. Even if they do it, they don't do it for a longer period of time. They don't stick to those decisions and they keep wondering why my result is not coming actually, right? So it's very simple. It is not a rocket science, right? You know, our system is designed so methodically, right? You know, you guys are lucky, right? When we started that time, it was not that strong, support, and everything was not there written down actually, right? But now everything is so clear. If you are clear about your dream, if you are clear why you started the business, right? You just have to follow whatever is told in the system and whatever is told in the welcome to the T. To the T means pick up one thing, implement, and keep implementing. Don't stop. Okay? Pick up second thing, implement. Keep implementing. Pick up third thing, implement. Small little things actually, right? But people implement less, they think more, talk more, right? Right? So my request to all of you, those who started the journey recently or those who started the journey before also, right? Check yourself. Check yourself when you attended welcome, what you did after that within 48 hours. You know, which category you were falling into, right? You know, did you do your dream list immediately after that without applying your brain? Or you had to be pushed by applying, right? Did you do your name list? Is it completed or you started talking before completing it, right? No, these are small little different, but it shows that you are not able to empty the cup and not able to properly follow the instructions, right? So this is the only difference. It sounds very small actually, right? It sounds very small, but this make a lot of difference in a long run actually, right? Okay, because the kind of trainings, the kind of experience we share, our successful people share in our system, believe me, you get everything. You get everything, and you can also succeed with that experience, but provided you apply that immediately and keep applying that rather than changing again and again, right? Right. So simple. Check on basics. Like for example, in the welcome it is told to you that finish your books and DVDs minimum 3 times. Check yourself. Is it already finished or not, right? Whether you started immediately after that or you started talking to people and then picked up one book maybe because somebody forced, and then you're not doing it regularly actually, right? True. So check yourself. Then again in the welcome it is mentioned that, right, you have to attend all system events, week-on, everything, right? Are you the one who are following the welcome 100%, right? 100% means 100%, right? Completely without questioning, and it is for you. People go and tell their downlines to do all these things, right? But first is, are you doing it, right? Are you doing it? Have you done your name list? Have you done your dream list? Have you done your books and DVDs? Are you going to the system every week, right? These are basics which are told in the first interaction, which is called welcome, right? But still, why people don't do that? Because they are not empty cup, right? And the first thing to do this business is you have to empty your cup. You have to forget about where you're coming. You have to forget about that past experience, because then the journey will become smoother actually, right? So check yourself, check your people, and in the beginning itself, tell them about this difference, because if they know the difference, consciously they will make an effort to do that, right? Otherwise, generally a lot of people do this also, right? All these things which are told in the welcome, but they do it half-heartedly. They do it maybe 50%, then they move on to the next one, right? They do it 50%, then move to the next one, and nothing is complete actually, right? So if you are new, don't get into that trap. And if you're already old, check yourself how exactly you started. If you have not started properly, if you're not followed properly, no problem. Today you got to know, right? Go and attend your welcome again and consider that as if you starting today and start doing everything, every damn thing properly, right? And then you will see your journey will become smoother, you will have less challenges, and you will have more confidence actually, right? Correct? And your organization will also duplicate exactly the same thing. So this is a small message from my side on this fortnight to everyone, that become a doer, not the thinker only, right? Start doing things which are already told to you, right? You are lucky that you have someone who is telling you all these things, maybe the system, maybe the upline or whatever, right? Ask those people who are working alone in the country where there's no system, where there's no upline actually, right? These people are craving for this knowledge. Somebody should tell them what to do and they will do everything 100% right. But as we say, when you get too much, you don't respect that, right? So start respecting that system and start following that system and start implementing that system, and you will see the change in your business and your life. Thank you very much. I'll be back next fortnight. I love you guys.